Hi, Matt Byer of Matt Byer Organizing with organizing your garage with hangable storage. I've been talking about garage organizing all month, and the one common thread is storage options: shelvable, hangable, and non-negotiable. Non-negotiable are things like your motorcycle, generator, lawnmower, snowblower, large toy vehicles. They are going to eat up floor space because they are non-negotiable. The only thing you can hope to do is shift their position. How do you do that? By opening up floor space with the shelvables and the hangables. We talked about the shelvables last week, so this week we talk about the hangables. I'm going to kick this off with my favorite hangable garage option, the Monkey Bars garage storage system. This system features deep shelves for long-term bin storage, but underneath them is an ingenious network of customizable hanging options incorporated into the brackets. Monkey Bars are the perfect answer for all those large, awkward items you tend to find in the garage. In other words, the non-shelvables. They've got a solution for bikes, golf bags, skis, lawn chairs, garden tools, and balls, to name a few. All of them hang off the floor and free up room for opening car doors. They are super sturdy, made in the USA, and despite being the best, they are reasonably priced. If you don't need the deep shelf Monkey Bars installed, you can order the NonShelf Options online. These include racks for bikes, sports equipment, gardening tools, and chairs. I'll show you how to install these at the end of this video. The deep shelf Monkey Bars work best if your garage has some height. And the more height your garage has, the more options you have. You can install overhead platforms for long-term storage. Monkey Bars offers both this stationary one and a motorized option that you can lower and raise by remote control. You can also hang your bikes by the tires with simple hooks or with a lift product which facilitates access. Here are some other garage items that you can hang to free up floor space. For car tires, I like this rack, which we installed in this garage. Ladders can hang with two of these simple hooks. There are many options for long-handled tools. I like this product from a company called Koova the best. See why in my blog post on the Koova Garage Organizer. The link is in the description for this video. Lesser used tools can go in bins and toolboxes, but for the ones you use all the time, I'm a big fan of hanging them on pegboards. See my pegboard video at the end of this video. Other floor eaters include kayaks, paddle boards, and car boxes, often more commonly known by the brand name Thule. If you have any of these examples, check out YouTube for a wide variety of options to see which is right for your garage. Obviously, I can't show you how to install all of these structures I've mentioned, but I am going to cover some basic concepts by installing this Monkey Bars chair rack. If you feel crowded, you're liable to drop your drill on your car, so get it out. Set up a table for easy access to your tools and products, count the pieces in the boxes, and set up a ladder. The first consideration is accessibility, so the first position to establish is height. With a pegboard, you can get away with using hollow wall anchors, but for things like chairs and certainly tires, you've got to find the studs with a stud finder. Use a level to be sure you are level. Remember that the bar may be at one level and the screws will be at another. Start by drilling a small hole. It's very important that it's level. Then go larger but not too large. The tighter the screw goes into the hole, the stronger it will be. But it can't be too tight or the screws won't go in deep enough to secure the mounting bracket. There's a little play in these holes, so do a double check on the level before you tighten the screws all the way. Now's the fun part. The bar slides in and is secured in place by these buttons. Then simply hang the adjustable hooks. This rack holds up to 15 chairs. And by the way, you can see another way to save floor space is to choose a folding chair in the first place when you need to create floor space. So I hope you have found this helpful. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.